May we have a table for two?
Sure. Please follow me and I will take you to your table. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I will have the chicken. May I order salad on the side?
Of course. How about you, sir? What would you like to order?
I am still trying to decide between the daily special and the steak platter. What is your recommendation?
I recommend the steak with mushroom sauce.
Oh, then I will have the steak with mushroom sauce.
How would you like the steak done?
Medium, please.
Great. Would you like to add rice on the side, sir?
Yes, thanks.
No problem. Is there anything else that you want to add to your order?
That will be all for now.
Fine then. The food will be ready in 20 minutes.
Listen, I have something to tell you. What is it? You know that next week is Lisa's birthday, right? Yes, I do. Why? Well, I was thinking that we should throw her a surprise party. That's a great idea. She would love that. Where and when should we do it? I was thinking that we could do it at my place on Saturday night. I have a big backyard and a barbecue grill. We could invite all her friends and family and have some food, drinks, music, and games. That sounds perfect. How can I help? Well, you could help me with the decorations and the cake. We need to make it look festive and fun. And we also need to find a way to get Lisa to come without suspecting anything. Okay, no problem. I can go to the party store and buy some balloons, streamers, and candles. And I can order a cake with her name and age on it. And maybe we can ask her boyfriend to bring her to your place on some pretext. That would be awesome. Thank you so much. I think this will be the best birthday ever for Lisa.
So, what did you think of the movie last night?
I thought it was great. The acting was amazing and the story was really suspenseful. I couldn't stop watching.
I know, right? I was on the edge of my seat the whole time.
I really liked the way they developed the characters. You really felt like you knew them by the end of the movie.
Yeah, and the ending was really satisfying. It was a great twist that I didn't see coming.
I know. I was so surprised.
So, what are you up to this weekend?
I'm not sure yet. I might go to the park with my family. What about you?
I'm not sure either. I might go to the library to study for my exams.
Well, when we are free, we should get together sometime soon and catch up. Hi, John. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm very excited. I just booked my flight to Japan for next month.
Wow, that's awesome. Japan is one of my dream destinations. What are you going to do there?
Well, I'm going to visit Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka. I want to see the famous landmarks, temples, and gardens. I also want to try some delicious Japanese food, like sushi, ramen, and tempura.
That sounds amazing. How long are you staying there?
I'm staying for 2 weeks. I think that's enough time to explore the main attractions and experience the culture.
Do you speak any Japanese?
Not really. I only know some basic words and phrases like hello, thank you, and excuse me. But I heard that most people in Japan can speak some English, so I hope I won't have any problem communicating with them.
That's good to know. Hey, have you heard about the new coffee shop that just opened up?
No, I haven't.
What's it called? It's called The Daily Grind. It's supposed to be really good.
Oh yeah, I've been looking for a new place to study. Maybe I'll check it out.
You should. It's a really nice atmosphere.
Okay, I'll try it out.
Hey, did you know that the word grind has 2 meanings?
No, I didn't. What are they?
Well, the first meaning is to work hard or to toil. The second meaning is to crush or to grind something into a powder.
Oh, I see. So, the name The Daily Grind could be a reference to the hard work that people do every day. Or it could be a reference to the coffee beans that are ground up to make coffee.
Exactly. I think it's a clever name.
Yeah, it is. I'm definitely going to check it out now. Welcome to the Blue Moon. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, we do. It's under the name of Smith.
Yes, a table for 2 by the window. Please follow me. Can I get you something to drink while you look at the menu?
Yes, please. I'll have orange juice.
And I'll have a lemonade, please.
Certainly. I'll be right back with your drinks. Are you ready to order, or do you need some more time?
I think we're ready. What do you recommend?
Well, our special today is grilled salmon with roasted vegetables and mashed potatoes. It's very delicious and fresh.
That sounds good. I'll have that, please.
Okay. And for you, madam?
I'll have the chicken salad with dressing on the side, please.
Of course. Anything else?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll be back with your food shortly. Here you are. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. This looks great.
Yes, it does. Let's dig in. Hi, I'm Lisa, and I work here. Welcome to our restaurant. We have a variety of coffee and dessert options for you to choose from. What kind of coffee do you like? I like cappuccino, but John prefers espresso. Do you have both? Yes, we do. We have regular and decaf versions of both. And for dessert, we have cakes, pies, cookies, ice cream, and more.
I think I'll have an espresso and a slice of chocolate cake. What about you, Mary?
I'm not sure yet. Everything looks so delicious. What's your favorite dessert here? Well, I personally love the apple pie with vanilla ice cream. It's very tasty and satisfying. That sounds good. I'll try that with a cappuccino then. Okay, so that's 1 espresso and 1 chocolate cake for John, and 1 cappuccino and 1 apple pie with ice cream for Mary. I'll be back with your order shortly. Enjoy your time.
It's so rainy outside. I can't believe it's still raining cats and dogs.
I know, right? It's been raining for days. I'm starting to get cabin fever.
Me too. I'm so bored. I've already watched all the TV shows I want to watch, and I've read all the books I want to read.
Well, we could always go for a walk in the rain. It's actually kind of refreshing.
I don't know. I don't want to get all wet.
Come on. It'll be fun. We can wear raincoats and boots.
Okay, you've convinced me. Let's go.
Great. Maybe we'll see a rainbow on the way.
That would be nice. Do you know why rainbows appear after the rain?
Well, it has something to do with the sunlight and the water droplets in the air.
Yeah, I think the sun splits the water into different colors.
Wow, you're so smart. You should be a science teacher.
Thanks, but I prefer art. Speaking of which, do you want to go to the art museum after our walk?
Sure, why not? Maybe they have some paintings of rainbow. Hi, I'm Alice. I'm new here. What's your name?
Hi, Alice. I'm Bob. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from France. I came here to study English for 6 months. How about you?
I'm from Brazil. I'm also here to improve my English. I've been here for 3 months already.
Wow, that's cool. How do you like it here?
I like it a lot. The people are friendly, the weather is nice, and there are many things to do and see.
I agree. I'm enjoying it so far. What do you usually do in your free time?
Well, I like to go to the park, read books, watch movies, and hang out with my friends. Sometimes I go to the library or the museum to learn more about the culture and history of this place.
That sounds interesting. I like to do similar things too. Maybe we can go together sometime.
That would be fun. Do you have any plans for this weekend?
Not really. I was thinking of exploring the city a bit more. Do you have any suggestions?
Well, there's a nice restaurant near the river that serves delicious food. Maybe we can go there for lunch and then take a walk along the river.
That sounds great. I love trying new food and seeing new places.
Me too. So, do you want to meet on Saturday at 12 o'clock?
Yes, that works for me. Where should we meet?
How about at the bus stop near the bridge? It's not far from the restaurant.
Okay, sounds good. I'll see you there then.
Okay, see you on Saturday. Bye for now.